Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to integrate HubSpot with Gmail. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste your time and let's get start the video. First we tap on Google and tap on search bar and search HubSpot and tap on HubSpot and tap on three lines of top corner right side and tap on login, and you can add your email password and tap on remember, like this. And tap on login, and you can see your HubSpot account is login, and you can search your industry and enjoy your app. This is very simple process, you can do very easily. So guys, I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.